I went around this morning to see if we had any wind damage. Yeah, we had a little bit. There's some stuff we need to fix. But it's still blowing wind, not as bad. And it's cold, it brought cold with it. But next few days it's going to warm up, so that's going to be nice. Up in the 80s soon. But we're just going to wait till it warms up and then start working on it. In the warm weather, it's just too cold out there now, with that wind blowing. Anyway, I was hoping we didn't get wind damage, but we did. So, thanks for watching. Bye.